As you can see, Haley's coughing into her hands, Cody's coughing into the air where we can breathe all his germs. This is the improper way to cough or sneeze. Now we're going to show you the proper way to cough or sneeze. Joey, he's going to cough into his sleeve of his upper arm. Excellent. And Haley's going to cough into her tissue. Excellent. Did you see how she threw it away? That's what you want to do. As soon as you cough or sneeze into your tissue, you throw that tissue away. Another thing you need to remember is to use a fresh tissue each time you cough or sneeze. You don't want to reuse the same tissue over and over because of the spread of germs. You want to show them one more time, Haley? Excellent. And after you have coughed or sneezed, you need to wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds, or if soap and water is not available, you can use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Now that you know how to do a proper cough and sneeze, we encourage all of you to practice this when you're ill. This is recommended by the CDC, and of course, we all want to stay healthy, don't we?
Yes, ma'am.